What is up, CTP Nation? It's Tanner. Welcome back to another video. Today we are out in the woods. Gonna do some exploring. It's gonna be fun. I mean, just look how pretty it is out here. Look at that tree. So bendy. Interesting. I'm going off trail now. We're just seeing where the land takes us. I haven't done a hike like this in quite some time. Looks like I found a deer trail though. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna follow that through. Lots of trees. I'm having to duck down. Finally came to another clearing. Well, not really clearing, just some nice trail with no underbrush. Look at that, the sun's so bright. Hopefully I don't walk into someone's territory. I don't know if you can see, there's some cutting boundary over there. But we can still go down to that ravine. I'm walking this line. We got some tape. So someone's been out here, but trying to figure out a way down. It looks clear almost on that side of the ravine. It kind of cuts down, so I'm gonna head that way. A stump. Wow. That's cool. Looks like I'm coming up with something. I'm gonna walk off this trail. See where this takes me. Kind of want to walk over there. It looks like it just drops down. Oh wait, that's it. That's a drop. Look at that. So if I don't die. Something comes down here, it looks like. Just gonna have to look it. Oh. Oh. Nice. There, we came down that. It's gonna be tough though, because if you look, I'm walking through this. There's a lot of fallen trees. So I think if I go up a little higher, I'll be safe. The wind's really blowing up there. Our lids. Let's keep going. A huge tree. Up this trail, see where it goes. Let's do it. It looks super slick though. Yeah, look at that. Definitely some deer tracks. Not big enough to be elk. And I've never seen elk around here. So let's make our way up. Don't know how the deers do this. Look at that though. Gunshots coming from this way. Go up this ridge. Because that looks like where this trail is taking me. I see the clear cut over there. That's where I came from. And I'm trying to get up here. So, I guess we'll start just pushing through. I'm really going through like the thick stuff right now. Trying to work my way back up. Because the ridge ended, so I'm just kind of going up the trail now. Aha! This looks like a deer trail. There's not really like a lot of stuff to see out here. It's kind of just like trees. Edge of the clear cut. I used to follow that creek down into this low, the super low part right here. Then I'd work my way up, but it's all logged. So I'm just finding a way through here now. See where this takes me. Alright, where are we going? I think we just keep heading this way. Look at that thing. Looks like it pulled up all the roots. Some more fungus. Look at that. That thing's huge. There's also this giant tree. Looks like I'm back to the main trail now. Here's where it got logged. I don't know if you can see, but over there is where we used to come out of the woods, up on that hill. But now all this is gone. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. You can see there's like a tower. We hiked up to the tower over there. You can see just the tip of it. It's the radio tower for Chehalis, Centralia farm. That's a lot to see out here. Whoa. Got darker and a lot quieter now that we came down here. Look at this thing. Big old hay bale. Probably rolled down this hill and ended up here. Still twined up. Pretty good. Let's see what's out here. Car up there doing something. Big fixing it up or something. Another shack over here. It's pretty cool. I'm not going up there because I probably would get shot. But we can stay down here and hike. It's starting to rain. Moonshine? Interesting. Oh, you can hear the water now. Wow. A lot of the trees right along this ridge have fallen down. And I think that's just the wind blows too hard for them. They're used to being protected by the outer trees, which are logged now, so they just tumble down. Made it to the bottom of the ravine. Got some water flowing. Feel bad for the older people who have to cross this. Reminds me of when I climbed Mount St. Helens. You got these little flags marking where to walk. Dang. It's crazy to think the old trail, you were up on that ridge, but now the trees are gone. It just puts it into perspective how far actually everything is. There's that wind catching. You can see how it blows. It is the road. I hope you guys liked this video, even though it was kind of short. I hadn't gone hiking out in the woods in a while, so I thought I'd do it. I'll catch you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's Tanner's out. I'm gonna go up to the top of this just to see how it looks. And here we are at the top. I wonder if I have a picture to show you what it looked like before. It goes down that way too. Dang. Look at that. There's dogs, which make me nervous. Get out, because I don't know if those dogs are nice or not. And I'm gonna head down because they don't know. I mean, I don't know. I think the wind was blowing down that way, so I might be screwed. See the towers up there? That's the service tower. Looks like we made it to the bottom. Catch you in the next video.